You know what's interesting? Most people walk past billion-dollar opportunities every single day. They literally fly over their heads. Drones delivering packages. AI making decisions in real time. Companies so small right now that most Wall Street analysts aren't even paying attention to them yet. I've been digging through some data lately, and I came across 3 stocks, one under $1, one sitting quietly in the single digits, and one AI play that almost nobody's talking about, and I genuinely think they're worth knowing about. So let's break them down. Before we get into it, this is purely an informational video. Nothing I say here is financial or investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just numbers, facts, and observations I'm sharing with you. Always do your own research before putting a single dollar into anything. Cool. Let's go. Alright, first up, AgEagle Aerial Systems, ticker UOS, trading on the Amex exchange. Now here's the first thing that'll grab your attention. This stock is trading at just about 93 cents. Yes, under $1. Now before you tune out, hear me out, because the story behind this company is actually fascinating. AgEagle operates in the aerospace sector under industrials. They build commercial drones and aerial intelligence systems, not toys. Not hobby drones. We're talking about professional-grade unmanned aerial vehicles used for agriculture, defense, and mapping. Here's what the datos $0, 93,52 week. High, $3.60. That means at its peak, this stock was nearly 4x where it sits today. 52-week low, 72 cents. Market cap, approximately $54.7 million. So what does that tell us? It tells us this company has moved before. It has shown it can go from under $1 to over $3. Whether it does that again, nobody knows. But the range is there. The share volume today was about 1 million shares, but it's the wild part. The average volume is nearly 8 million shares a day. That's a company that people are actively watching and trading. It's not sitting still. The drone industry itself is expected to be worth hundreds of billions globally in the coming decade. Precision agriculture, defense contracts, surveillance, these are growth areas. And AgEagle is right in the middle of it. At a market cap of just $54 million, it's a micro cap. That means higher risk, but also potentially higher reward if things go their way. Again, not a recommendation. Just the facts. Stock number 2, and this one caught my eye for a different reason. Draganfly Inc, ticker also in the aerospace and industrial sector, but this one trades on Nasdaq. Previous close. $5.46 für Vorsicht Kilo, $1.63. So right now, DPRO is sitting closer to its 52-week low than its 52-week high, which some people see as a discount window, and others see as a red flag. That's the debate. But here's what's really interesting. Analysts have put a one-year price target of $13 on this stock. Let that sink in. The stock is at $5.46 today. The analyst target is $13. That's a potential upside of over 130%, if those analysts are right. And that's a big if. Analysts are wrong all the time. But it tells you something about how some professionals are thinking about this company. Market cap, approximately $159 million, making it meaningfully larger than AgEagle. But still very much a small-cap company. Now, what does Draganfly actually do? They're a pioneer in drone technology, one of the world's oldest commercial drone companies, actually. They work across sectors including public safety, agriculture, defense, and healthcare drone delivery. Yes, healthcare. Imagine drones delivering medical supplies to remote areas. That's part of what Draganfly is building toward. Share volume today, 3 million shares. Average volume, about 2 million. So today actually saw above average activity, which is always worth noting. The drone space is getting more competitive. But Draganfly has history, it has patents, and it has a presence in multiple industries. Whether the market reflects that? We'll see. And now, the one that's probably the most unpredictable of the three, Gaxos.ai, ticker GXAI, and yes, the name gives it away. This is an AI company. It trades on Nasdaq. It's in the technology sector under computer software, specifically prepackaged software. Previous close $1.21, today's range $2, $2.96 52-week low, $1.00, so it's leader of its 52-week floor right now. Market cap, roughly $12.7 million. Set is down. That is one of the smallest companies we can track on a major exchange. At $12.7 million, we're talking nano-cap territory. But, and this is where it gets interesting, analysts have a one-year price target of $2.88 on GXAI. That would be more than a 100% move from where it sits today. Now here's what you need to understand about a company this small. The risk is extremely high. A $12 million market cap company can move dramatically on very little news. One partnership announcement, one contract, one product launch, and a stock like this can double. It can also go the other way just as fast. Average VAM is over 11 million shares, but today only so about 390,000 shares trade. That's a massive drop from average, which means today was a quiet day. The market wasn't particularly excited, or maybe it was consolidating. That's the game with stocks like this. Gaxos.ai focuses on AI-powered gaming and entertainment technology, which puts it right at the intersection of two of the hottest sectors in tech, artificial intelligence and gaming. The question is, can a company this small execute at a level that justifies investor interest? That's the bet. That's always the bet with nano-caps. Okay, let's put all three side by side real quick. OS price $0, 93 market $54.0 million, 52-week $3.06, sector aerospace, DPRO, price tilde $5, 46 market $159.9 million, 52-week $14.40. Analyst target $13, sector aerospace. Preis $1, 21 market cap $7 million, 52-week 96 cents. Analyst target $2. Sector AI, tech. 3 completely different risk profiles. 3 completely different stories. All 3 are small companies in sectors that are genuinely growing. None of them are guaranteed anything. The market doesn't owe anyone a return. Look, I'm not here to hype anything. I'm not here to tell you to buy or sell a single share. What I am here to do is put information in front of you that maybe you wouldn't have found scrolling through your regular feed. Drones, AI, small caps. These are conversations worth having. Whether any of these 3 companies become something big or fade out, only time tells that story. If you found this useful, drop a comment below. Let me know which of the 3 caught your attention the most. I'm genuinely curious. Do your research, talk to our friends, and as always stay informed. I'll catch you in the next one.